Hello YouTube, I want to do a quick parts list on this 32-inch Curtis television. Here's the make and model. Here's the business card if you guys have any questions. Take this back cover off. When you take the back cover off, the keyboard is actually part of the back cover, so do disconnect that ribbon cable, so nothing. Okay, now we come down here. First thing we're going to look at is the panel, which is this guy right here. Okay, main board is right here. Okay, that's all the inputs. Here's the main board. Number off of the tuner is, let me see if I can get a little better picture. That looks pretty decent. Okay, here's some kind of number here. Okay, and here's some kind of number. Okay, main board is right here, rather small. Not the main, I mean the power supply. And the part number off of it is right here. Good morning, Bill. And this is the part number for the power supply. And last but not least, the part number off of the, the part number off of the inverter. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 transformers, and the part number is right here. And that'll conclude my video. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Oh, there is a little tiny T-con or whatever you want to call it. Here's the part number for it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, YouTube.